I've been seeing this guy around here since like the past 6 months, I suppose.
वो कभी भी इधर खड़ा रहता है। ये बारिश आएगा तो किधर धूप लगेगा तो।
This man here standing, giving you out a message, telling you to just chill out in life when everyone is out to kill each other.
अपने धर्म पे चलो और हर सभी से प्यार करो। अच्छा संदेश सबके लिए है।
In this quiet stretch of Versova Beach, inhabited mostly by Methi farmers, lives a man who for 3 years now has been known not by his name, but for his simple yet powerful message.
मेरा नाम कृष्णा अवतार है। वैसे साधु के नाम से कृष्णदास के नाम से जाना जाता हूँ।
All Krishnadas does is stand at a crowded junction in Juhu amidst heavy traffic with a sign that urges us to love all people regardless of their faith.
ये सुबह चले जाते हैं 8 साढ़े 8 बजे तक और शाम को आते हैं जो अंधेरा होते टाइम।
He lives alone in a hut with bare minimum supplies and no electricity. Having travelled extensively as a sage, he came to Mumbai 12 years ago and says that he's wanted to do this ever since.
12 साल पहले के आसपास मैं जूहू बीच पर सुबह हवन करता था, तो मैं कागज पे कुछ लिख दिया करता था और फिर मैं वो जमीन में ही रख दिया करता था।
It was in 2009 at a world religious conference organized by his Guru Murari Bapu when Krishnadas realized that merely preaching would accomplish no real change.
जन जागृति चाहिए, जन जन को जगाना है, तो कैसे जगाना है? तो उसके पब्लिक के जन के पास जाना पड़ेगा। तो ये बात मेरे मन में पैदा हुई और उसके बाद में फिर मैंने निर्णय ले लिया कि मुझे समाज के लिए कुछ करना है और समाज में जाकर कुछ करना है।
In a world where people are so genuinely concerned about themselves and where people do not really care, this person is so completely selfless and fearless that he stands with a sign that says
अपने धर्म पर चलो, सबसे प्रेम करो।
वो तो सबसे अच्छा मैसेज है कि भाई इससे मतलब टेररिस्ट फैलाना।
Krishnadas begins his day of work with an early morning trip to Juhu Beach.
As you could see his board, he has all the signs. He has the cross, he has the moon, he has the Om sign. He is not communally pushed.
महाराज सुबह आते हैं 8:30 बजे 7 बजे आते रहते और आके बोर्ड लगाते हैं सबसे प्रेम करो, सबसे धर्म करो। बोर्ड को लगाते हैं इधर से 2 किलोमीटर तक।
After putting up over 40 thought-provoking messages at the beach, he departs for a junction which is now identified by his constant presence.
दुनिया का बाबा को हम देखे, बाल विद्या बाबा, वो बाबा, ये बाबा, वो बाबा लोग हम जानता नहीं, ये बाबा को हम जानते, मतलब उसका ऊपर हमारा पूरा विश्वास है।
Apart from his growing popularity amongst police personnel and people who work at Juhu Circle, Krishnadas has also gained favor amongst passers-by who often come up to talk to him or at least greet him from their vehicles.
Every time I get a chance, I make it a point to just pass him a smile. It's my small way of telling him, like, boss, good work done.
Krishnadas's work at Juhu Circle isn't limited only to greeting people. He is also known for his small acts of philanthropy.
बच्चे लोग को बिस्किट खिलाते हैं, चॉकलेट खिलाते हैं और पैसा आके खुद देके जाते हैं।
Krishnadas does not have a steady source of income. He gets monetary support from his guru. A lot of admirers and well-wishers have offered him money, but he's refused every time.
कितना जन लोग बुलाया, पैसा देने के भी सामने आया था, वो बाबा नहीं लिया।
At around noon every day, he takes a break for lunch, which is served to him free of charge at a nearby Marwadi caterers. Like any figure who's in the public eye, Krishnadas too has had his fair share of detractors who, in spite of appreciating his efforts, question the practicality of his endeavors.
In a city like Bombay, a person like him only warrants something like a second look.
People just watch him, talk about him and move on.
And after a point of time, he's just another tourist attraction.
जो लोग ऐसा समझते हैं कि मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ, वो लोग अपने आप में सही कहते हैं, लेकिन मैंने बदलता हुआ पूरे समाज को देखा, कुछ मायनों में, ज़्यादा नहीं। हम एक साथ तो बिगड़े नहीं हैं, या एक समय तो बिगड़े नहीं हैं, हमको बिगड़े हुए हज़ारों साल हो गए, तो हम इतनी जल्दी एकदम सुधर नहीं सकते हैं, हमको धीरे-धीरे ही सुधरना पड़ेगा।
In a city which has so often had its foundations rattled by the violent acts of religious fundamentalists, Krishnadas's work is a gentle reminder of the one thing that all human existence is founded on, and that is love.